Hi everyone, welcome to the 213th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Yash, BCom Department 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Guardians EdTech Bangalore, high demand courses from unexplored sectors. The headlines this week: students take on cleaning duty for May Day. NSS unit celebrates non-teaching staff on May Day. Video homage to the Didis of Salesian College. Elevated football field gets monsoon ready. The news in detail. Siliguri. Students take on cleaning duty for May Day. Komal Mittal of BCA Department 6th semester reports.
On May 1st, 2025, the NSS Unit 2 of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a campus cleaning drive to show solidarity with non-teaching staff on International Workers' Day. 20 student volunteers participated in the initiative, which took place from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. The drive aimed to give students a glimpse into the daily responsibilities of non-teaching staff who work tirelessly to maintain a clean and orderly environment on campus. The cleaning drive covered various areas, including classrooms, corridors, and surrounding campus grounds. Although the activity was physically demanding and lasted only 3 hours, it proved to be a valuable experience for the participants. This initiative served as a meaningful way to celebrate May Day, acknowledging the often overlooked contributions of non-teaching staff to the college community. The drive not only showed appreciation for their hard work, but also raised awareness among students about the importance of their roles.
Komal Mittal reporting. Siliguri. NSS unit celebrates non-teaching staff on May Day. Shushmita Chauhan, Department of Psychology, 6th semester reports.
The NSS Unit 2 of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized a vibrant cultural program on May 2, 2025 to celebrate the non-teaching staff on the occasion of May Day. Father C.M. Paul, Vice Principal of the Sciences, delivered opening remarks emphasizing the importance of recognizing the non-teaching staff's efforts. Principal Father Dr. Babu Joseph further appreciated their contribution, stating the college would not function smoothly without the dedication and hard work of our non-teaching staff. The ceremony included the distribution of ceremonial scarves to each staff member, followed by engaging indoor games like musical chairs and passing the ball. These activities created a joyful atmosphere filled with laughter and camaraderie. NSS volunteers also presented gifts to the non-teaching staff members as a token of gratitude. The event featured vibrant cultural performances, including dance and song presentations, showcasing the talents of the students and staff. The program concluded with a vote of thanks by NSS Coordinator Officer Mr. John Lakra, who expressed heartfelt appreciation for the staff's tireless efforts and commitment of NSS volunteer to serve.
Shushmita Chauhan reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Autonomous, Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri. Video homage to the Didis of Salesian College. Voiceover by Zainab Nisa, English Department UG, 4th semester.
To all the lovely Didis, who are the unseen pillars of our college, tirelessly maintaining every corner with care and love. With each sweep of their hands, they not only clean but also nurture a space where we can learn and thrive. Their hard work goes unnoticed by many, but their impact is felt by all. They ask for nothing but give us everything: a clean, welcoming environment that fosters growth and safety. We just want to say thank you, Didis, for your unwavering dedication and kindness. You are the true heart and soul of our campus, and we are forever grateful for your selfless love.
Siliguri, elevated football field gets monsoon ready. Prajwal Rai, Department of Sociology, 6th semester reports.
Football enthusiasts at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri can anticipate a better playing experience this monsoon season. Thanks to a significant project to elevate the football field. Starting April 28, 2025, the groundskeeping team began bringing in 3 truckloads of fresh mud during early mornings to minimize disruption to daily academic activities. This elevation focuses on the key zones around both goalposts, which have historically been prone to waterlogging. By raising these areas, the college aims to provide a consistently dry and playable surface. The project will utilize approximately 30 truckloads of mud, expected to conclude in May, just in time for the odd semester. This upgrade not only improves playing conditions, but also demonstrates Salesian College's commitment to enhancing sporting facilities and promoting active participation in sports among students.
Prajwal Rai reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Guardians EdTech Bangalore, high demand courses from unexplored sectors. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.